India is changing. How we earn, how we spend, how we live. When rapid urbanization and a young workforce meets rising incomes, it fuels the nation's consumer economy. By 2030, India's consumer market is projected to surge by 46%, reaching over 3.72 lakh crore, making it the world's second largest consumer economy, giving rise to a unique investment opportunity. Presenting the Tata BSE Multicap Consumption 50-30-20 Index Fund, India's first BSE Multicap Consumption Index Fund. A rule-based diversified index fund that invests in India's top 100 consumption companies across large, mid and small caps, so you can aim to turn India's spending into your earnings. So why should you consider investing in this fund? First, aim to capture India's consumption-led growth. Second, has a diversified multi-cap structure. Third, provides exposure to new age consumption categories. Because when India evolves, spends and dreams, it turns every consumption story into an opportunity. So what are you waiting for? When India consumes round the clock, opportunities never pause. Consider investing in Tata BSE Multicap Consumption 50-30-20 Index Fund today. NFO opens on 9th December 2025. NFO closes on 23rd December 2025.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.